Ititinkina kituka kwatat ne jasi siriamun kanuka idi aduha atuptone president Jessica Alupo FL ngesiabu kele pekula peka Akiring ko katakwi aito som Aboisit na Etegea ngesi kanu Etutubere diale jok Hakitukunu kesi ale mutos luka Nile Humanitarian Development Agency kanu isiriamun aitubutu ada na para saongon nui numunumatar kesi eidi aduha le munoi angeta kintu production mukaga.
We have managed to come with something like 100 cattle for the people of this community, the Muslim community.
Not only support us in our daily bread, as our Lord's Prayer says, but you also support us on sustainable projects. For instance, you have supported us by establishing boreholes here in the district. Very many boreholes across the district. And those are sustainable projects which impact on the health of the people and the livelihoods at the end of the day. So I am very happy as a woman member of parliament of this district, but also as the vice president, I know you have supported the whole country. I'm very conversant with the fact that you have been dealing with this program, but involving all the districts of the country, and also all the Muslim community and the non-Muslim community. So we thank you very sincerely, and as government, we welcome you to continue working with us in the development process of our country. What is unique is that today is when I have seen the biggest number of cows. We have always got 10, 20, 30, 40, today there are 100 and
100.
Strictly 100, let's clap for Allah. Being a cattle keeping community, we know that when someone gives you a cow, it is the biggest treasure and the biggest gift that someone can offer you here in our community. So we thank you for choosing cows or bulls for our celebration. I officially hand over the 100 cows to the county cadi.
Takbir.
Allahu Akbar. And wish you a very peaceful.
Allahu Akbar.
I wish you a very wonderful and a peaceful eating together with the non-Muslims. Thank you for welcoming us to your dining table. Takbir.
Allahu Akbar.
I also want to take this opportunity to launch this slaughter. It has never been launched. Has it been launched? I have launched it today. Some matter that using this, we don't know that it's very important to launch. Now you can see how brotherly is good. This Muslim community has made us to officially launch the Lufra. So the people who slaughter from there now know that the place is officially open.
Dilax Emi Alamu, Kanuka TV East.